Gentlemen, there's something undeniably captivating about a man who carries himself with elegance, confidence, and effortless style. Allow me to introduce you to a pair of boots that embody all of this and more. Amazing handmade Goodyear-Welted Leather Chelsea Boots for Men by Shoe Elegance. As a woman who admires the refined taste of a well-dressed man, I can't help but be drawn to the timeless sophistication these boots bring to every step you take. Crafted from luxurious European leather, they are not just shoes. They are a statement of your character, your strength, and your attention to detail. Whether you're heading to work, enjoying a casual outing, or stepping out for a special occasion, these boots are your perfect companion. The Goodyear-Welt ensures they will stand by you through life's adventures, while the sleek, classic Chelsea design makes them irresistibly versatile. There's something undeniably magnetic about a man in boots like these. They exude quiet confidence and refined taste qualities every woman can't help but admire. Gentlemen, let these boots do more than complete your outfit. Let them elevate the way the world sees you. Crafted from premium European leather, these boots combine sophistication with resilience, making them perfect for work, casual outings, or special occasions. The Goodyear-Welt ensures unparalleled durability, while the sleek Chelsea design guarantees effortless versatility. Every stitch is a testament to quality, and every step you take speaks of confidence and class. These boots are more than footwear. They're an investment in timeless style. And now, you can own these exquisite boots at our exclusive end-of-the-year sale. Enjoy up to 65% off and free shipping across the U.S. Don't wait. This offer won't last long. Visit shopeleganteshoes.com and step into the new year with elegance and savings. Remember, luxury is within reach. Claim it today. Shop now at shopeleganteshoes.com and grab your pair during the exclusive year-end sale. Elevate your style with up to 65% off and free shipping in the U.S. Don't miss out, luxury and savings await.